today we will continue exercise 3.3 class 11 trigonometric functions. So till question number 8 we have done. Now today we will start from question number 9. So question number 9 is exercise 3.3. Exercise 3.3. Question number 9. Question number 9 is prove that cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x into cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x equals to 1. Now first we should know about the formula. We should know the formula of cos 3 pi by 2 plus x. Cos 2 pi plus x. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x, it is sin x. No, it is cos x, it is sin x. So cos 3 pi by 2 plus x is cos x and cos 2 pi plus x is sin x. Cos 2 pi plus x is sin x. Now formula of this cot 3 pi by 2 minus x is tan x. Cot 3 pi by 2 minus x is tan x and cot 2 pi plus x is cot x. Cot 2 pi plus x is cot x. So these are the formulas. Now take LHS first. In solution, LHS cos 3 pi by 2 plus x into cos 2 pi plus x cot 3 pi by 2 minus x plus cot 2 pi plus x. Now put the formula. So this is cos x into this is sin x. Inside the bracket cot 3 pi by 2 minus x is tan x plus cot 2 pi plus x is cot x. So this equals to, it is cos x sin x. Now apply trigonometric identities. Tan x is sin x by cos x plus this is cos x by sin x. So this equals to cos x into sin x. Now take LCM. This is cos x into sin x. Now cross multiply. Sin x into sin x is sin square x plus cos x into cos x is cos square x. Now we can cut these two. So sin square x plus cos square x is 1 equals to right hand side proved. This is for question number 9. Now question number 10. Question number 10. Sin n plus 1x into sin n plus 2x plus cos n plus 1x into cos n plus 2x equals to cos x. So first we should compare a and b. In formula, a is always greater than b. So a is always greater than b means which one is a and which one is b. So n plus 2 is a, this is a and this is b. Here same, this is a and this is b. First in left hand side take LHS. So sine n plus 1 x sine n plus 2 x plus cos n plus 1 x cos n plus 2 x. So A is always greater than B, means rearrange first. First we will write sine n plus 2x sine n plus 1x. Here same, cos n plus 2x cos n plus 1x. Sin A sin B plus cos A cos B is cos A minus B. Now the formula of sin A sin B. Sin A sin B plus cos A cos B is cos A minus B. So formula of cos A minus B is sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. So this is, it is in the form of this formula. So sin A sin B plus cos A cos B. So we can apply this formula. So this equals to cos A minus B. A is n plus 1, n plus 2x. B is n plus 1x. So cos, this is n plus 2. We can take x common, minus, now open bracket, minus of minus n minus 1. So x is common. X is common. Cos n plus 2. So this equals to plus n minus n cut. So cos 2 minus 1 is 1 into x. So this equals to cos x equals to right hand side. Now this is also proved. Okay, next question number 11. Question number 11 is cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x equals to minus root 2 sin x. So we need to prove minus root 2 sin x. So left hand side equals to this. So first we will take left hand side. In solution, LHS is cos 3 pi by 4 plus x minus cos 3 pi by 4 minus x. Now we should know the formula. Cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B, and cos A minus B is cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Now apply the formula. It is in the form of cos A plus B and it is in the form of cos A minus B. So this equals to cos A cos B. Cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x minus sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Minus, so this is cos 3 pi by 4 into cos x plus sin 3 pi by 4 sin 3 pi by 4 into sin x. Okay, now move to quadrant. In first quadrant, all the trigonometric functions are positive. Second quadrant, sine and cosec. Third quadrant, tan and cot. And fourth quadrant, cos and sec positive. So 3 pi by 4 is pi minus pi by 4. Pi minus pi by 4 means it is in second quadrant. This is 0, this is pi by 2, and this is pi. This is 3 pi by 2, and complete angle is 2 pi. So pi minus pi by 4, it is in second quadrant. So what is the value of pi by 4? Pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. Because of second quadrant, cos is negative. Because of second quadrant, cos is negative. So this equals to, we will write minus 1 by root 2 into cos x. 1 by root 2, minus 1 by root 2 cos x. Again, this equals to sine 3 pi by 4 is, it is in second quadrant, it is also pi minus pi by 4. So what is the value of pi by 4? It is also 1 by root 2. Because of second quadrant, there is sign positive, so it is also positive. So 1 by root 2, the value of this is 1 by root 2. Value of this is minus 1 by root 2 cos x. So value of sine 3 pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 sine x minus, so this is minus 1 by root 2 into cos x plus 1 by root 2 sin x. After that, 1 by root 2 into cos x minus 1 by root 2 sin x. Now open bracket, minus into minus is plus, 1 by root 2 cos x minus into plus is minus, 1 by root 2 sin x. So we can quote minus 1 by root 2 cos x plus 1 by root 2 cos x. These two cancel. So after that, minus 1 by root 2 common, minus 1 by root 2 common. So this equals to sin x plus sin x minus 1 by root 2. We can take sin x also, sin x common, sin x common, minus sin x common, minus sin x common. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 is there. So after that, now take LCM, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. The LCM is root 2 only. So this equals to minus sin x. So LCM is root under 2. Here is 1 plus 1. So this equals to 2 by minus 2 by root 2 sin x. This equals to, this is 2 is root 2 into root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. So we can quote it is root 2 into root 2 divided by root 2. Root 2 into root 2 is 2 sin x. 1 root 2, 1 root 2 cancel. So this equals to minus root under 2 sin x, we will get right hand side, root equals to right hand side. Okay, this was for today. Thank you.